Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color and the brightness of the light on your Xbox Series X Elite controller. This is actually really easy to do. So you can see I have like a light blue light here matching the color of my thumbsticks. So let's go up to settings, scroll on down to where it says devices and connections and go to controllers and headsets right here. Then we want to go to where it says our Elite controller and go to configure. Go to the right and go to edit. So choose a slot. And then I'm going to go to edit. Then we want to tab on over to color. Right here. And then we have brightness right here. We can adjust this and make this brighter or softer. And then we have a color that we can go ahead and pick. So this pretty much turns it off if we go all the way to the left. And then I'm just going to put it at maybe like 75%. And then you can see it's like a white recent color. We can go to a custom color. You can see it's changing on my controller too. So match my green. Let's just go to like a white color here. This looks good. It almost looks blue on my controller with how the brightness is. So you can choose any of these colors, or you can come up with a custom color, or you can go to match my green, which I don't like. So just come to this section. It's cool to kind of just edit things, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.